Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you about using canva.com to create imagery for your voting poster. So this is the first hyperlink that's here in your planning sheet. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the website, Canva. This is a great website graphics design program. What you want to do is to go directly to poster. If it asks you to log in, you're going to log in with your school Google account, and it won't ask you for any more information after that. So you can use templates, but I'd want you to create your own and not steal. So you can use these as, I guess inspiration is the word I want to use. But I want you to use your own, create your own poster, your own fonts, and your own imagery. So you can go to photos first, and you can search vote or election. Let's try election this time. Depending on what you want to push as your slogan or your voting issue. I couldn't find anything for election because, of course, I added an extra. So let's go to election. So you're going to see that you have lots and lots of different images. You want to make sure that you're looking for ones that are free. If they have a crown, it's pro, and you have to pay for it. So there's plenty here that you can check out. You can also take images from the internet and drag them in as well if you'd like to. So let's see. Let's go with, nope, of course I want that one. Let's go back up here to the ballot box. I'm going to take this one. Okay, so I've got my image here. I can work on the background. If I click the background and I click here, I can change the color. So I can make it black, which is super impactful. I can make it a gray, which lightens it up a little. You could go red. It's entirely up to you. And every different color is going to give you a different feel. So I'm going to go with black because I think I want to use white lettering. So now I'm going to go over here to text. Now, heading makes it large, subheading is a medium font, and then of course this is the tiniest font. You can also choose from any of these fonts. So fun might not be the font that you choose if you want it to be serious. So maybe action is what I'd like, and I'm going to add in this over here. So I've got this box that says action. I don't want it there though, I want it up here, okay? And I'm going to click into it and delete that, and I'm going to use the word vote with an exclamation point. I'm going to get rid of this action here. I'm going to delete that entirely. And maybe I'm going to say vote for our lives. I want to use different font. Sometimes you'll notice in posters there are two different fonts and they should be harmonious, and you want to make sure that they are the same emotion. So this is probably too fun. You want to go with something that's more serious. So I can just add a heading and it'll give me whatever font I'd like if I don't like the ones that are offered to me. So I can choose my font from here, and I can pick any of these that I'd like. So I'm going to go with a Pro Medium, and I'm going to use white for my text, and I'm going to add a heading to For Our Lives, because I did see that slogan somewhere recently, and I did think it was very potent. Okay, so right now that needs to be centered a little bit more. This is impactful for a couple reasons. It's a very bold graphic image. It's using positive and negative space, okay? This is a lot of contrast. You might want to bring it down a little bit more down here. So you've got the white against the black. This is a bit of color. You might even want to change it to red, but this gives us a very impactful and serious looking poster. So that is exactly how you use Canva. I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, let us know.